Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And I know guys, eating healthy can be so challenging at times, so today I've got a quick, easy and simple recipe to incorporate this superfood into your diet. So without further ado, let's get into the video guys. Kale is one of the most nutrient dense foods on the planet. That is blowing my mind guys. And it's also full of antioxidants and iron and calcium. So yeah, the good thing about this is we are going to put it into our smoothie. So you won't really even taste it, which is so great if you don't like the taste. I feel like kale has a time in everyone's life. I feel like when I first discovered it, I used to eat it like daily. I was obsessed with it, and then I became so sick of it, I literally just quit it. Like, I stopped eating it completely. Next thing we're going to add into our smoothie is avocado, our best friend. I literally love this stuff, and don't worry if you don't like it because I used to hate it and my taste buds basically adjusted, so yours could too. Eat one of these like every single day. But anyways, this has like a monosaturated fat, which is a good fat that could lower cholesterol, and it also has potassium as well. Next, we're going to be chopping mango. This is like so beneficial for your skin and your hair. It's just full of minerals. Mangoes can aid in digestion, boost your immunity, clears your skin. And they also promote eye health, aid in weight loss, and can lower cholesterol. For this smoothie, I'm probably going to use like half of this one mango that I'm chopping. I've got 2 mangoes out because I'm making the second one for my 2 little minions. So yeah, they are obsessed with mangoes. They literally devour them. I'm constantly buying them. I'm now just going to chop my mango into little chunks like so. I also added in some blueberries, strawberries and raspberries. These are full of antioxidants, which are really good for you. I also added in half an orange as well. Also going to be adding in a spoonful of organic coconut oil. It promotes good bacteria within the body and it boosts your immune system. I just swear by coconut oil. I literally use it for everything. Meanwhile, Tyrese is literally eating all the mango. So now I'm just gonna scrape their leftovers since they don't like the scrap pieces of mango. They only like the big pieces since they're bougie as hell. So yeah, I'll take these for my lovely smoothie. Thank you. This smoothie is like so good. You could eat it for lunch, breakfast or dinner. It's entirely up to you. And it's like it boosts your energy. It fills you up as it's really filling. And now we're just taking our avocado to get ready to add it in. So yeah. side note, how cute is my little boy's plate? Those two are literally couple goals. I don't care what anyone says, they are literally couple goals. It's also a Christmas plate, but yeah, don't watch that because it's like February. Anywho's, I'm just taking like a quarter of my avocado and I'm just placing it on top like so. As you want, this is gonna help make your smoothie super creamy and thick and just basically delicious. And I'm now just taking a little bit of spring water like so, and I just put like a tiny amount. And yeah, now I'm just gonna put my lid on like so. I'm actually gonna move that plate out of the way first, so yeah. Anywho's, that's it on, and now it's ready to go onto my Ninja, and I'm like so grateful for this Ninja to have it. It's just amazing. Literally changed my life, guys, and it's awesome. You should get yourself one. So I like to press smooth boost when I'm making my smoothies to make them really smooth and make sure everything is properly smooth. OMG, I do not know why it looks this color. It looks so bad, but please don't let that fool you. Now it's time for the taste test. I always like to test, and then if it tastes bad, but it usually always tastes good. If it does taste bad, I like to just tweak it slightly. Now the only thing left to do is to make it cold. I just like to add a few ice cubes like so. And this will just basically make your smoothie nice and cold and refreshing. I'm just placing it back on the Ninja again, just to smooth the ice out. Now that's our smoothie done, it's time to just pour it into our little mason jar like so. And you can really get creative with this, which is what I like. You can just add like your favorite fruits. Just make sure you try and add your superfood kale and your avocado, and also your coconut oil for the extra boost to make this super healthy. But any fruits you like, bananas, pears. And last but not least, the last thing I'm going to do is take some organic shelled hemp seed hearts, which is going to give this smoothie an extra protein boost, as these are so healthy and full of minerals, and I just love how they taste. They make your smoothie super thick, and I just love them basically. And now it's basically time for you to enjoy, so go ahead, knock yourself out. And I really hope this video inspires you, because it's really inspired me as well, like to start getting back into the smoothie life. Because I literally hadn't made smoothies in ages until I started making them, and I just like literally remembered how good they taste. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for loads more. And also leave me a comment in the comment section below if you do try this recipe. I'll see you guys in my next upload.